Ah, Sajaya, what are you doing?
Sajaya?
Excuse me, Mommy's trying to get you on video, bozo. Sajaya, what's Abu doing? Say, Abu's getting the rat. Sa? Here, you look at Maestra. Okay, Maestra.
I'm gonna go.
Maestra, what's Abby doing?
Kill the rat.
Killing the rat. What's it sound like he's doing in there? Getting killed or killing the rat?
Kill the rat.
You think Abby can kill it? Nia, what do you think Abby's doing?
I think Abby is moving all the stuff to get the rat all over the room so she can kill it.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Let's go see what Abu's doing. Watch him move. Come on, let's go see what Father's doing. Come on, crybaby. Don't open that door. Abu?
Yeah.
Is the rat in there?
Yeah.
It's in there, but we're making a mess.
Why?
You don't even want to see what happened.
Oh. Guys, please move. Move. You- Ya Allah.
Push on that side. No, it's
You didn't break the doolab, did you?
No, it's not broken. It just came apart.
For a rat?
Just leave me alone. I don't have time for that. When you go sit and argue with the doolab, I'll throw it out the freaking window.
Why is the door locked?